In this video, I'll show you how to access the Grand Theft Auto preview on Netflix, and it's really simple. All you have to do is go to Netflix, and this will be the same thing if you're on a computer or if you're on the TV. All you have to do is go to the search bar up here and search Grand Theft Auto, and then you're going to see it in the top left right here, an extended look. Now, it's going to say coming today at 3 p.m. EST or ET, and it's dependent on what time zone you're in. So all you have to do is just click it at 3 o'clock today, and you'll be able to watch it. You can even set a reminder if you want, so that you can get a notification on your email or on your phone. And yeah, you'd be able to watch the 26-minute preview. I believe it's 26 or 28 minutes preview, an extended look of the game. So it's going to be really cool to see. So yeah, there you go. If you want to watch it, it's simply on Netflix. All you have to do is log in, click that link, and you're good to go.